What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love, I really do. So please consider subscribing, and y'all, leave me a comment and tell me what you think, and I like to get them thumbs up too. Alright, so you already know. Let's get started. So I'm going to be cutting my chicken. I got a whole chicken here, okay? Cheaper to get it, alright? I'm going to show you how I get down cutting this real quick, okay? Now, show y'all, I'm going to get 10 pieces out of this. I could get 11, but we're going to start by cutting the leg in 5. Alright, now you want to hold that leg up in the air. I know you know how to hold it up in the air. So, when you're doing that, you're just kind of gently pushing down to separate the skin. Now, you're going to find that bone, you're going to bend it and break it. Now, at this point, you can keep them together if you want, but I'm going to separate it because, like I said, I'm making 11 pieces. Alright, so you want to cut down the middle of the joint. When you bend it, you can feel it, and just slice through there. And be careful, alright? Now, we're going to go over here and do the same. See? Break it, hold it up in the air, cut around, and there you go. Find that joint, squeeze it down, slice it. There you go. Alright. See how easy that is? Takes a little practice though. Now, I like to remove my skin from my thighs. Keeps it crispy all the way around. You'll see. Now, here's that back. This is where I'm going to get them 2 extra pieces. Snap that. Now, I'm going to use these as a sample pieces, so I can taste it and give myself a little treat too. Alright? So, now we're going to bust the back down like so, and then we're going to split it in 2 pieces. Okay, now I know you say, wow, you could have just left it together. No, this is what I want to do, is my chicken. Anyway, I like to sample it. Now, let's get these wings cut. Now you want to hold the wing up in the air and just kind of make a circular mold. Be careful, don't take too much of the breast off. You don't want to take too much. It happens though, I've done it, but it's okay. Now, see, there you go. See how easy that is? Hold that wing up, go around it. There you go. You got this, mate. You got it, mate. Alright, now, here's that rib cage. My grandmother would cut this and this would be an extra piece. But I'm going to keep it on there. And be careful, my cutting board, this is the wrong cutting board. I don't know why I use this cutting board, but you want to cut down on that bone. You want to push the pointy side of the knife down into it, okay? Now, there's a gristle along there too. So I'm just going to cut along that, and then you separate it. See how easy that was? Alright, just takes practice. Okay, so now we got to get this chicken started, okay, seasoned. Alright, so you see we got a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, got to have that Lowry seasoning salt, and paprika. That is a must, okay, in any chicken flour mix. Alright, I use cornstarch too, gives it that maximum crispiness. Use my measuring cup. I'm not sure how much flour I'm going to be using, but I yield it to like a half a cup, 1/4 cup of each seasoning in my flour, okay? Now, get that Lowry's on this chicken, some black pepper, not too much Lowry's, because we're going to be seasoning the flour mix, okay? You just want to give it a nice generous coat. Not too generous now, don't get it too salty, alright? And then I got the pepper on there, and we just want to mix it all up, okay? I'm going to give it a nice mix. And let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, okay? Come back to it, mix it up again, and let's get started. Now, flour mix, putting that paprika in there. Now, it's weird, I determine I know when my season is right. My flour is going to be red, basically. It's coming from the paprika mostly. Now, I'm going to put in 1.5 cups of cornstarch. I wound up using 3 cups of flour, so 3 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of cornstarch, okay? I'm telling you, it's going to give you that extra crunchy love, all right? Now, first, let's shake it up and see what it tastes like. Make sure that it's not too salty, not too garlicky, you're going to make sure, because you can always add more flour and even it out, okay? Let's give it a taste. Like I said, ingredients are just a guideline. I think we're there. We're hitting. I might need to add a little bit more seasoning salt, but I think we're good. All right, now I add in the Saison. You didn't know nothing about that. Now I'm teaching you something new, maybe. Well, maybe not. But I do 2 packets of that. All right. So now I got my hot oil cooking. I like Western oil. Shake up my chicken. Make sure it's sealed. Flour go everywhere in chicken. You won't want that. Okay. Now you will know when it's ready by pouring a little water in there and it dance like that. All right. Now I like to fry my chicken in the skillet because it gives it that extra crunchy love, you know? And it's something about sticking with it and then turning it and just can't just drop it and just forget about it and walk away, all right? Now, here's that piece I was telling y'all about. Whoo, it tastes, it's on point. It's there, we ready. Yeah, okay, that's what I'm saying. Just gotta take your time. Look at that, oh man, that's good. There you go, y'all. That's my crispy chicken. All right, easy. All right, I love frying chicken, y'all. Look at that. Yep. All right. I appreciate the love, y'all. For those that are new, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. All right. Now I'm a wing person. I got to get that wing first. All right, y'all. So again, thank you guys. I'm dancing for watching What You Cooking Roach. Bye bye.